know, when we created our Spain and Portugal Magnifico tour, people liked it so much they came to me and they said, hey, how about northern Spain? So I put my mind to it. I went across, did some research and came out with the current northern Spain and the Pyrenees tour. They said, why France? We talked about northern Spain and I said, think about it. The Pyrenees is a natural border, but on that Pyrenees is the man-made border separating France and Spain. So why would you, when you consider going back through the centuries, there were nations like the Basque, the Navarres, the Cathars and the Catalonians, and don't forget Andorra's still there. All these nations that actually span both sides of the Pyrenees. So when assembling a tour, it just makes sense that you just don't look at just one side of the Pyrenees. But it's more than just those sites, it's actually those places in this area. There are several ancient routes through here, like the Pilgrim's Way. Now we spend 3 nights in the Rioja region. We actually spend those nights in a converted 800-year-old convent, and it was one of the way stations of the Pilgrim's route. On that route, of course, we visit Haro, Legadia, Pamplona, Olite, these places on there, and we stay 3 nights, and of course we visit the vineyards. The idea though is exploring ancient routes like that. Flick over to the far side of the Pyrenees and there of course is the Canal du Midi, this route that cuts right across France, dug by mankind. So we visit that as well, one of those, and we have lunch there down by the canal because you should, we include lunch there. You'll notice also that we visit Tarbes, we stay in Tarbes, and on there we cover a portion of the fantastic Tour de France route, the Tourmalet Pass going over, which is a regular favourite of the bike riders. Whilst there, we go up the Pic du Midi. Why do we go up that mountain? Because it's there, but at the top is an observatory and it has a microclimate and the views are sensational. But that's not the only cable car we do. Over in the Costa Europa in Spain, near San Sebastian, when we have the 3-night stay, we spend a day up in those mountains. We take the cable car, but that's really a feeble excuse because we also go out for a lovely mountain stew lunch. It's what you need to do. You need to experience the foods and the cultures and the styles in a different area. And of course, near Carcassonne, where we stay 3 nights, we also, on the day we go to the Canal du Midi, we go to a place called Minerve. Minerve, so often bypassed, 800 years ago obliterated by the papal armies, rebuilt. It's like a time capsule, so we go there as well. So the idea of these areas we visit, the Pyrenees is in the way, is we go around and we visit the places off the motorways, away from the great sites, and we go to the lesser known sites, because we can, because we have 2 and 3 night stays, and they must be visited. So come join us. We do it the Albatross way. Come with us.